Hey there, YouTube. This is MD Trading, and we are once again here on the charts, as you can see. And the markets are about to open, and we will see if we can trade something good, and we if we can bring something home. We were already seeing some volatility before the within the hour before the 9:30 East. So let's see what happens. I can see the markets reach um, this this area, and also okay this one before actually going up. But let's see. The trend is now is very much a green one. So let's see what happens. Of course, this is a live session, so everything that you can see is what I see for the first time. This is my mouse, I'm moving it right now. So this is my first time also seeing the charts, and this is my journey of live day trading. And if you like it, you can join by subscribing to the channel, leave a like to the video, and you know the drill, the notification bell, that all that kind of stuff. Um, Markets are about to open, 1 minute, and then we'll see what happens. All right, 10 seconds, and we are live on the market, of course. Here we go. I never trade within the first few minutes, because it's, as you can see, the candlesticks here are very spiky, very volatile, and it's not easy to read what's going on. So I just feel safer to let the market develop their thing, develop their trends, and then if I see a good setup, I can join. Now it's going down, as you can see. Let's see if they can go down to 15,000, to 15 flat, Let's see. I think they can do it. They have they are already near the top here, but never say never. If they reach 15 flat, um, we're gonna go for a long position. If not, let's see. This is always a good position to enter. It is very risky though. After a sudden drop, there's usually always usually a sudden rise of the markets, and vice versa. So you can possibly um, adjust, to these kind of movements. But it's very risky because it's very volatile, and the market has not decided yet what it wants to do. Um, so we should see something more. We should see a clearer movement. There's a chance this might be the start of a bullish trend. But I still don't like it. Very jumpy, very volatile. I'd like it to be more, a little bit safer, let's say. If it's going past this top or even this one F106, oh, we are in for a bullish trend. It's starting to create a little level of support right here. We've seen this week after this kind of setup, this level of support in 2, 3, 4 minutes, a bounce upward. So let's see if also this time the market follows this trend of the week. After this level at 68.7, 68.50, we should really think to get in for a long position. If not, if it doesn't reach that, well, still is not sure what it wants to do. Why is he asking me? Damn, man. Now I feel like it's too late. I don't know. Is it still? Yeah. Could have been a good scalp. My goal is not to earn like 10, 20 grand, $20,000 in one single trade. Um, my my goal, my focus here is to earn more than I would get at my daily job. If it's 500, like 600, like last episode, it's fine. If it's 200, great. If it's 100, super. If it's $50, well, it's the same amount that I do at work. So if I do that amount of money while staying at home, sitting in my room in my PJ, like right now, well, it's all good to me. You know, we all have different goals. All right, we just saw a very big spike, and in the meantime, I just draw a little trend line just to monitor things a little bit. I think we should, if this doesn't go too much below this trend line, I think we might be thinking um, of entering this time. Let's see. I see the trend now going up, at least for now. Um, this might be the lowest of today. There's a chance it might not get lower than this, at least in the recent future. Um, yeah, let's see. But I don't know why. But I see the market breaking this trend line. Um, I'm not very convinced of the movement. Very, very jumpy. Okay, it broke it. That's very
Order
risky.
filled.
That was risky, but I think it's going to go down. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. I'm gonna set my stop loss here. So this is good. I got a little scalp for now. Does he want to go down a little bit more? Is that the question? Now is what I want to see. It can go down a little bit more. It reaches this level, so it's very tough, being it very jumpy, and I think it's gonna hit my stop loss right now. Let's hope it doesn't. And it did.
Stop filled.
All right. Uh, a bit of a shame, to be honest. Um, but I'd rather be, yeah, I'd rather be safe than sorry. I could have closed here, of course, in hindsight. Um, let's see what else I can do. If I can do a bounce back up. Yes, of course, I could have seen the support here on the day being very jumpy and very dependent of the present. Let's say it could have easily this be readable. So we are now back back towards the trend line that I draw before. Draw that I drew before. Yeah, I'm sorry. English problems. In the meanwhile, my computer is struggling a lot. So if you hear a noise in the background, that must be it. As you can see, we are in. I thought by violating again the trend line, it wanted to go down. It didn't look good at first, and nor does it now. I think it can go a little bit more. But I don't like the day how it's going. So now I just want to make the most out of it and get done and be ready for the weekend. Okay, I just want to be done with this one. I didn't like it much. It will probably go down a little bit more, of course. That always happens. I saw it go down, but again, I don't like today. The way it is, at least for now, I really don't like it. So we are in the green, and that's all right, and that is great. Um, it didn't look good at first. I'll be honest, but yeah, if it doesn't, if nothing else happens, I don't see myself trading more today. Um, you know, I'll keep an eye on the charts. If I see something useful, very clear, we will get back. If I see something more, um, if I see a clear trend, I will get back on the video. Otherwise, that is gonna be it. And you know, uh, if you if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel Doesn't cost you anything, doesn't give me anything more. Um, Leave a like if you like this type of videos, and if not, just leave me a comment and say and tell me what you think about it. All right. I'll see you next time. Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again, and this the next day, and I was editing the video, and when I reached the end of the video of the recording that I made yesterday, um, you know, I thought that I should update the video now. After the end, oh, what's happening? Uh, it's just refreshing, maybe. Oh, I hope. Um, After the end of the yesterday's video, I kept on looking at the charts, and I ended up doing three more trades. One a pretty bad one, and I started here, and I went for a short position, but it rapidly in like 2.5 minutes turned around and it was going up. So I exited and just lost $100 more or less. But then um, I saw this trend, and I saw the market reaching this blue line, and that was my target for the day. And so after a couple of more minutes, I was around here, if I remember correctly, and it went up this like this until here, and I exited here doing a $200 profit, and I thought it could go a little bit higher, and it eventually did it, but it was later in the day, um, so I had to leave. So wasn't feeling comfortable yesterday, of course, as you already know. I already said that. Um, so I exited here and making a little profit, and with a profitable day at the end of the day. It was a 200 and something profit day. It ended up being a $260 profit day. So that was good. Good for my for my wallet. I didn't feel good, and I didn't like how the day went. But I still feel grateful. And yeah, maybe we will see on Monday. Thanks again for watching, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a like. Leave a comment if you want, and I'll see you next time. Bye.